Hi guys, I'm gonna make mud soup. So you can see here's added 2 cups of dry black beans. But my mud soup recipe is completely different. I've added some butter in the pot. I'm gonna add 1 bay leaf and 2 cinnamon sticks. Next, I'm adding crushed ginger garlic. Crushed black pepper. According to my taste, I cannot eat too spicy. I'm gonna fry for 1 minute. For mud soup, I need a small, roughly chopped onion. Now for mud soup, I need 1 big mushroom, and you can take any kind of mushroom. I'm taking some roughly chopped tomatoes. Now I'm adding all these vegetables in this hot pot. Here I go. Now I'm adding 3 cups of water. And salt. Now I have to cook it for almost 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's nice and cooked and nice aroma is coming. I have to strain it. Now I got my soup here. Now I'm adding arrowroot water. I'm also going to cook it for 10 more minutes and it's going to taste totally delicious. Now my tasty mud soup is ready.